Hey, Andre. So here's a answer to your question. Well, a couple questions. First, yes, I use something called OBS Studio. It's free. It's a great app for making videos. There's a bunch of other, I have tons of different ways of doing it that are more professional, but this one's really fast. So that's my suggestion is to download that. But okay, so here's your sketch. You're doing great. It's just totally understandable. What you've got here is, for example, this line and this line. These are both just um, they will show up because of the contours that we create with this revolve. So these are actually just reveal lines that, to show the sort of the shadow lines of the part. So you don't need them. But let's just look at what happens if I come try to revolve this. There's these different parts to it, right? So it's not going to do it because it's too complex of a contour. So all I'm going to do is come in here and delete these. I'll make sure I'm not deleting the. Delete these couple of extra lines you have here. This, I believe, is just a dimension line. This should work if it's, let's go. Yeah. So there you go. Now, I don't think it's exactly right in terms of the dimensions in the part. Let's look at that. Yeah, I think, right, I think this is point, am I editing the sketch? No. Actually, let me just go open up the part, or bear with me a second here, I wasn't completely prepared. Okay, we're doing the lighthouse. There we go. So it looks like we've got 0.75 to the outside and 0.6 to the inside. So again, this is just something where you're not being careful enough is all. So this is supposed to be 0.6. So in other words, you're really good at SolidWorks. You just have the typical problem that we all have at some point, which is just not paying close enough attention. Um, I think that's all that's right, but if not, you'll have to just go find the rest of it. Um, but you see now, the lines you were drawing are these were if we go normal to this and we just turn on, it looks like that, right? These look like lines are here, but they're not. They're the contour being shown. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Again, you're doing great. These are just details, and I think it's great that you're asking so many questions. So keep it up.